Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Rheem tankless water heater no hot water, flow sensor, burner and reset fix. Fix 1 is check the power supply. Make sure the water heater is turned on. Check if the circuit breaker has tripped, reset if needed. If your unit plug into an outlet, make sure the plug is secure. Wait a few minutes and test the hot water. Second one is make sure the gas supply is on. Check that the gas valve is fully open, then make sure other gas appliances are working. If you recently changed the gas tank, then ensure it is not empty. Try running hot water again. Third one is clean the inlet water filter. Turn off the water supply and power, then locate the cold water inlet filter. Then remove the filter carefully. Rinse away dirt and debris. Reinstall the filter and turn the water back on. Fourth one is reset the water heater. Turn off the unit, then unplug it or switch off the breaker for about 5 minutes. Restore power, then turn on a hot water faucet and check if the heater works normally. Fifth one is increase the water flow. Fully open the hot water faucet, then remove any low flow shower head or faucet aerator temporarily. Make sure enough water is flowing to activate the heater. Check if hot water start. Thanks for watching.